hyper-connected but disengaged in the sense na there are a lot of gaps in terms of relationships. So, dami nilang longings. No? Kung pakikinggan mo yung mga kwento nila, dami nilang mga pangarap, dami nilang mga gustong gawin. Bunga na rin siguro ng exposure to social media, to the digital content na parang there are so many opportunities that are given to them, but most of them get frustrated because they're not able to get them or to be able to reach them. Kaya nakikita ko yung dalawang mundo ng mga kabataan. Yung, yung mundo ng ideal in the digital, para meron silang mga identities sa social media na everything is well. Pero nakikita ko rin yung reality ng buhay nila na nothing is going right. They navigate those two worlds of illusion in the internet or in their avatars, and also the reality that bites them every day. Kailangan talaga ng closeness sa kanila and safe spaces for them to be able to not just be themselves, but to feel that they are not judged by anyone and to be able to express themselves freely. But then again, it has to be tempered, so to speak, with guidance.